Let's get back to the kitchen for a breakfast classic: how to make French toast. This comforting and delicious dish is surprisingly simple to whip up. Whisk together eggs, milk, cinnamon, and a touch of vanilla extract. Dip slices of bread into the mixture, soaking them thoroughly. Cook the soaked bread in a buttered skillet over medium heat until golden brown and cooked through. Serve with your favorite toppings like syrup, fruit, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Let's talk about love, attraction, and the spectrum of human sexuality. What is pansexual? Pansexuality is a sexual orientation characterized by attraction to people regardless of their gender identity. Pansexual individuals are attracted to people based on their personality, character, and connection, rather than being limited by traditional gender binaries. It's about recognizing and appreciating the beauty of human diversity. This question takes us back to a time that significantly impacted the world. When did COVID start? The COVID-19 pandemic, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, first emerged in Wuhan, China in late 2019. The virus quickly spread globally, leading to widespread lockdowns, travel restrictions, and a profound impact on public health and the global economy. It's a stark reminder of the importance of public health measures and global cooperation in the face of health crises. Dog owners out there, you've probably witnessed this peculiar behavior firsthand. Why do dogs eat grass? While it might seem strange, grass eating is actually quite common in dogs and isn't necessarily a cause for concern. There are various theories about why dogs munch on grass. Some believe it's a way for dogs to supplement their diet with nutrients, while others think it might help soothe upset stomachs or induce vomiting. If you're concerned about your dog's grass-eating habits, it's always best to consult your veterinarian. Let's take a trip to the nation's capital. Where is Washington, D.C.? Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States, is located on the east coast of the country, bordered by the states of Maryland and Virginia. It's a vibrant city steeped in history, home to iconic landmarks like the White House, the Capitol building, and numerous museums and monuments.